Conversations is the platform's unified inbox, a single place to manage every customer-facing message across every channel your business uses. Instead of checking separate inboxes for each platform, everything comes into one view so your team can respond faster and nothing falls through the cracks. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation menu. Click it and the full Conversations workspace opens. When a contact sends a message, whether by SMS, email, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DM, live chat, Google Business Profile, or other connected channels, it arrives right here. Every single channel, one inbox. Your team sees the full history with that contact, regardless of which channel they used, and can reply on any channel without leaving the thread. The workspace is organized into 4 panels. On the far left is the Inbox panel, which controls whose conversations you're viewing. Next is the Chat List panel, which shows the filtered list of threads. The Message History panel is in the center, where you read and reply to the messages, and the panel on the right shows contact details alongside the conversation. All panels are collapsible, so you can expand the areas you need most. The Inbox panel has 3 views. My Inbox shows conversations directly assigned to you, where you are the contact owner, along with any internal chat threads you're a part of. Team Inbox shows conversations across the account. Users with full data access can see everything. Users with limited access see only conversations where they're assigned or a follower. And Internal Chat is a private team messaging inbox completely separate from customer conversations. Separately, within any customer thread, your team can add internal comments that are only visible to team members and never sent to the contact. These are different from internal chat. They live inside the customer conversation as private notes that your team can reference. Inside a conversation, the message history shows the full thread across every channel, SMS and email exchanges in the same timeline, alongside any internal comments your team has added. At the bottom is the composer, where you choose which channel to reply on. You can switch from SMS to email to WhatsApp to an internal note without ever leaving the conversation. For longer email replies, the composer expands into a full screen editing mode. For quick replies, the inline composer keeps the thread context visible while you type. The right panel keeps contact context in view without leaving the conversation. You can see and edit contact fields, tags, custom fields, and assigned owner directly from here. You can also create or view opportunities, appointments, invoices, and payments without navigating away. Everything that lives on the contacts page is accessible here, which means your team can take meaningful action on a lead mid-conversation. As conversation volume follows, filters are how your team can stay organized. You can filter by channel, assigned user, tags, date, and more, and combine multiple conditions using and/or logic to build precise views. Once you build a filter combination that's useful, you can save it as a view for one-click access going forward. Saved views are private by default, and admin can share a view with the rest of the team once it's set up. For frequently sent responses, snippets let you insert pre-written text directly into the composer with a click. They work across SMS and email, support custom values so they feel personalized, and are shared across the team so everyone is using consistent messaging. When you need to manage multiple conversations at once, bulk actions let you select several threads and mark them as read or unread, star them or delete them in one single step. Combined with filters, this makes inbox triage fast even at high volume. Conversations also supports assigning threads to specific team members for ownership and accountability, @mentions and internal comments to bring a teammate's attention to a specific message, timeline filtering within a thread so you can isolate just emails, activities, invoices, and more. The channel library and toolset continue to grow as the platform adds new communication and integrations. Every message that comes in through a connected channel routes directly into conversations. Your team doesn't need to juggle separate tools or check multiple platforms. It all lands in one place. Because contact details, history, and actions are all visible in the same workspace, the full context of a relationship is available the moment a message arrives. That means faster responses, fewer handoff errors, and a cleaner record of every interaction.